Hello, I'm Syed Marzanul Hasan, welcoming you all to my presentation on the design of Chao Phraya Express commuter ferry. The design took part in the 4th Annual International Student Design Competition on Safe and Affordable Ferries, arranged by the Worldwide Ferry Safety Association, and won the first prize. Before beginning, I would like to mention and thank my faculty advisor, Professor Andre Haas from the University of Liège for his advice and support. The presentation is divided into two parts, where I will discuss the design challenges, that is, major considerations that affected the design of the ferry, and the solutions, that takes into account the measures that were taken to overcome those difficulties. I would like to tell that the presentation deals only with the main design issues related to the owner's requirements as described in the competition brief, and not to all of the design processes involved. The design challenges. The first of the three major considerations for the design process was that the design must satisfy the local needs. It means that it must be acceptable to the owners so that they are more likely to build the vessel with supplementary superior features. The operators must also be interested in operating the vessel, considering the detailed procedures and work plans suitable for the waterway. The ferry must also be popular to the local commuters and incoming tourists so that they become more interested to be a passenger on this ferry. In such case, the design must be easier to implement and matched to the local operating conditions. Moreover, the vessel must ensure a safe and sound stay for all passengers at all operating conditions. This means that safety must be integrated into the design. The vessel should be featured with inbuilt precautionary measures to avoid casualties and safety equipments and plans to better deal in the event of emergencies. The vessel must meet or exceed the minimum operational requirements and ensure an economic and stress-free lifespan. Let us now discuss the solutions that were taken to overcome the difficulties. Space allocation is one of the primary factors determining the overall deck arrangement. The vessel has been effectively divided into two major portions. The long-haul passengers or tourists who are likely to move less and would want to enjoy the outside scenarios are placed at the front. The short-haul daily commuters are accommodated at the back, where the arrangement allows greater movement and standing facilities. Provision has been made to allocate the elderly, person with reduced mobility, pregnant women, person with small children or strollers, near to the doorways so that they have less difficulties in reaching their seats. As to the integration of safety features into the design of the vessel ensures a safe and comfortable stay for all of its passengers. There are provisions for adequate life-saving appliances in case of emergencies. The vessel is built on catamaran hull, which is inherently more stable than its monohull counterpart. The vessel has been checked for adequate intact and damage stability, including the windhill criteria and passenger crowding on one side. The fire safety features includes insulation from machinery spaces, provision for fire hoses, audio-visual alarms and signals, emergency fire pump and generator for additional safety. There is also provision for marshalling or gathering area at the aft of the vessel in case of emergency, so that the process of rescue can be very quick. There is provision for foldable ramps, offering a quick but safe in and out movement of the passengers. Since the vessel must operate through a densely packed river route at high speeds, the design must ensure a good visibility for the master. It is done by all-round visibility facilities from a raised navigation deck. Since the vessel has provisions to be operable at night, it must include mast for signaling of its position and movement to other vessels. But to that, it must also comply the air draft restrictions. It is taken into account by a quick retractable mast that ensures passage under low bridges. The sustainability of the surrounding environment is also taken into account. Since there has been reported cases of damage to the riverbanks due to high vessel speeds, the proposed design has been checked so that it has a low wake and wash. The vessel has been optimized for performance, reduced consumption of fuel, therefore leading to a lower exhaust and water pollutions, thus leading to the restoration of the thriving waterway. Finally, I would like to thank you all for your patient hearing, and also thanks to Worldwide Ferry Safety Association for their efforts toward a safe and affordable ferry worldwide. Thank you, and have a nice day.